talk about types of animals. According to their habitats, there are 4 types of animals. Wild animals, domestic animals, pet animals, and aquatic animals. The animals living in the jungle are called wild animals, like lion, giraffe, bear, puma, rhinoceros, leopard, and stag. They hunt for themselves. Domestic animals. The animals live in the farms and ranches are called domestic animals, like cow, ox, sheep, hen, horse. These animals help in our day-to-day life. Cow gives us milk, ox helps us in cultivation, goat gives us milk, meat, and so on. The animals live with us in our home are called pet animals, such as cat, dog, parrot. These animals obey our orders and very much adorable in home. Aquatic animals. The animals live in the water are called aquatic animals, like dolphin, stingray, frog, seal, octopus. Among all these aquatic animals, dolphin is very much friendly to humans. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.